Have you or a loved one suffered a concussion? Are you concerned about attention, headaches, mood swings, learning issues, or general performance at work or school? If you are listening, you have also probably become frustrated with the medical care you're receiving. Perhaps someone has said there's nothing that you can do except wait. Well, that isn't true, and I can assure you that you can restore your life. My name is Dr. David Helfand, and I'm the owner and director of LifeWise. We have helped so many people heal from a brain injury or post-concussion syndrome. Your brain is a delicate but strong engine in your body, and with proper support and training, it can regain and excel in its functioning. However, you must have the right team in place. Using advanced imaging and brain treatment solutions, my team and I are able to support you in your healing process. We also provide expert coaching and mentoring to help get you back to a fulfilling, fun, and productive life. You and your family deserve a long-term solution that works to heal your brain naturally and restore your life. Call us for a free 10-minute phone consultation to see if one of our wellness programs is the right fit for you. We look forward to speaking with you soon.